What are some alternative traditions to the groom going under the bride's dress?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be exploring alternative traditions to the familiar wedding garter toss, where the groom goes under the bride's dress. We understand that this tradition may not suit everyone's comfort level or personal style, so let's dive into some creative and fun options that still celebrate the couple's union.
Why change the garter tradition?
First, let's understand why some couples might choose to forego the garter toss. The tradition itself, while entertaining for some, can be viewed as objectifying or discomforting by others. It's essential to respect the boundaries and comfort of both parties, hence the search for more inclusive and comfortable alternatives.
What are some alternative traditions?
Now, let's dive into the meat of our discussion: alternative traditions to the garter toss. 1. Anniversary dance. This involves inviting all married couples onto the dance floor and gradually eliminating them based on how long they've been married. The longest married couple remains last and offers advice to the newlyweds. 2. Wedding shoe game. The bride and groom sit back to back, each holding one of their own shoes and one of their partner's. A bridesmaid or groomsman asks questions, like, who's more likely to do the dishes? And the couple raises the shoe of the person they think fits best. It's a fun, light-hearted game that everyone can enjoy. 3. Unity ceremony. A unity ceremony is a symbolic act showing the joining of the couple. This can involve sand pouring, hand fasting, or planting a tree together. It's a more solemn, but deeply meaningful alternative. 4. Love letters and wine box. The couple writes love letters to each other and seals them, along with a bottle of wine, in a box during the wedding ceremony. The box is then opened on a significant anniversary, reminding the couple of their love and commitment. Remember, the most important thing about your wedding is that it reflects you and your partner's unique bond and shared values. Whether you opt for a twist on tradition or create an entirely new one, the day should be filled with love, joy, and mutual respect. We hope these alternatives to the garter toss inspire you to personalize your celebration in a way that makes you both comfortable and happy. Thanks for watching.